Hi, Papa. Gusto ko lang sanang batiin ka ng happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw mo. Total, nakarami ka na naman. Gusto ko itang bigyan ng isa pang regalo na alam ko, gustong-gusto mong kinakanta ko kahit nabubwisit ka na sa boses ko. Naman paborito kitang inisin eh. Sana magustuhan mo. I love you. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would leave me behind and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I play the song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh, ooh. My mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with you, I'll play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door, and I hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. No, I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord is dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Yan, sana natuwa ka pa. I love you. Sana rin nabwisit kita. I love you. Enjoy your day.